Hi, welcome to Mariel Beads and Beyond. Today, I'm going to show you really quick how to make the chenille stitch. It's really pretty and it's really easy to make. All you need for this is two different colors of seed beads, fire line and a needle. Let's get started. You are going to start by picking up 4 11s. You are going to bring them down, and depending what you want to make is the thread that you're going to leave. I'm just going to leave 2 inches. Your thread is coming out from the top. You are going to sew through the first 2. And we are going to come down through the next 2. You are going to pick up 2. Your thread is coming out from the bottom. We are going to sew from top to bottom. And we are going to sew back up through the 2 that we just add. We are going to continue repeating this step until we get 6 rows. For this stitch, you have to work in pairs. Your thread is coming up from the bottom. We are going to sew from the bottom to top on the other side to form a ring. We are going to come down on the opposite side and we are going to come up through the next 2 just to secure it. Right here, if you wanted your tube to be bigger, you need to continue adding beads. For me, I find that when you use 6 beads, it's just perfect. You gotta keep in mind that this is a hollow tube. You can make it thicker, that's up to you. You just need to find a way to like maybe put a cord or something in, or depends on the design that you're gonna make. Just keep in mind that it's gonna be a hollow tube. I'm going to pick up 2. My thread is coming out of this seed bead. I'm going to sew through the next one. And I'm going to sew up through the following seed bead. Pick up 2, sew through the next one, sew up through the following one, pick up 2, and sew down through the next one. And right now it's time for a step up. So we are going to, instead of sewing up through 1, we are going to sew up through 2. For this row, we're gonna pick up a different color. We're gonna pick up 1. And we are going to sew down through 1, up through 1, pick up 1, down through the next one, up through 1, pick up 1, down through 1. You completed your row. It's time for our step up, and we are going to sew through the one across and through the first blue that we add. We are going to pick up 2 11s and we are going to sew straight through the next blue. Pick up 2 and sew through the next blue. Pick up 2, sew through the next blue, and it's time for our step up, so we are going to sew through the first 11 out of the 2 that we added. We are going to pick up 1, So this step you just had to remember. One row you add one bead, the next row you add two beads, and that is all it takes. This is the last seed bead we're gonna add. We are going to sew up through the next of the color beads, and we need to step up through the blue. And you are going to continue repeating these two steps until you get the length that you need. Once you get the length that you need, you have to mimic the other side. So you had to end up with a row of two. So in order to mimic the other side, we need to make two more rows. Right now, you have this. So we need to add two more rows of the base color. So you're just going to sew down through one, skip the blue, sew through the next copper, pick up two, sew down through one, skip the blue and sew through the next copper, pick up two, sew through the next one, and right now we need to step up, so we are going to sew up through two. Pick up two copper, sew down through one, up through one, pick up two, down through one, up through one, pick up two, down through one, and up through two. And if you look at it, now it looks the same when you start. The only thing is this is open, so we need to close it. So our thread is coming out from this seed bead. We are going to sew through one seed bead prior to that one. And we are going to sew back through the same seed bead. We are going to sew through the next seed bead, up through one, the next one, and back through the prior seed bead, and back through the other seed bead. Pull tight, and we are going to repeat this one more time. Sew through one, sew through the next one, back, and right now all you had to do is make knots. As you can see, your work is completed. So I hope you guys like this tutorial. I hope it was easy to follow along. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, like my videos, and let me know what would you like me to make. Thank you. Until next time.